All right, so let's put this knowledge to practice. Let's say we want to play a 1-4-5 progression in the key of A major. How do we go about doing this? Well, first, we got to play the A major scale. All right, so for each key in this scale, I can build a chord. So we want to play a 1-4-5. So the 1 chord is going to be A major. The 4th chord is going to be D major. The 5th chord is going to be B major. Now, if we play this together, these chords all together, you get the song Stir It Up by Bob Marley. Because that song is in the key of A major, and it's a 1-4-5 chord progression. And if you play that together, so when you start to understand chord progressions, it becomes very simple to just analyze songs, popular songs, and understand what chord progressions they use. And it will also be simpler for you to create chord progressions in a certain key. So once again, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks.